Hey friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here, coming to you with a lunchtime live craft, and today we're going to throw together some last minute Christmas tags or really gift tags. You can use them for any time with just a few changes, so for gift giving throughout the year. Hopefully you've got all your Christmas shopping done. And this is just a quick, easy way that you can use paper that you've got on hand, any kind of scrap paper. You can do this with the funny papers, with magazines, anything that you have on hand, and just kind of dress up your gift wrap in an easy way. So I'm going to show you this. Now I have some craft paper. You can get this. It comes in 8.5 by 11 sheets. You can get it at Walmart, at Hobby Lobby, in any craft section. And then I'm a scrapbooker, so I have a bunch of just random scrapbook paper that I pulled out for today's project, and that's what we're going to be working with. Now these little tags, and you can actually buy the tags like this already cut out. These I cut out with my Cricut, and I just kind of keep a stack of them on hand for gift wrapping. But you don't have to have a Cricut. If you're not able to run to the store and buy them, you can just get any type of construction paper, cardstock, or whatever. Just cut it like this. Is just a scrap strip that I had, and I'm just going to kind of cut it in a rectangle. It doesn't have to have those fancy edges. It could just be simply a rectangle. You are going to need a hole punch for this, which I did not grab ahead of time. I got one right here though. And you just pop a hole in the top, and there you go. There you have a quick little easy tag, but we're going to dress it up. You could honestly just write a well wish on that just like it is, but you know, we can't leave anything plain. So we're going to dress it up just a little bit, and I'll do a square one, and then I'll do one of these large. And the only difference is it's got rounded edges. It's kind of got the scallop at the top right there. So, but basically it's the same thing, just two different shapes. So we're going to do a little Christmas tree on there, and I'm going to use this paper. It's going to be so easy. Your kids can help do this. It'd be fun if you did it ahead of time and got like a little assembly line going. I'm going to just, how am I going to do my tree? Oops, I got a hole punch on me. I'm just going to go easy peasy. So I'm going to draw just a tall triangle. Now I probably should have my thing next to it so I don't go taller than my tag. Alright. Do it with a pencil, so in case you have to erase like me. Okay. Just draw a triangle. Nothing fancy, and it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to cut it out. So I'm just drawing a little, let me see if you can see that, just a tall triangle. Again, nothing fancy, and you don't even have to draw with the pencil ahead of time. You could just kind of wing it. That's always fun. You could even do a row of them on here. Now you could use some adhesive. I do have somewhere in this drawer. Did I already pull it out? Oh, I already pulled it out. It's sitting right here in front of me. Hello. You can use scrapbook adhesive for this, or you can use a glue stick, whatever you have on hand. I do need to erase some of my pencil mark. We don't want the pencil mark to show. All right. And I'm just gonna, oh, this was double-sided scrapbook paper too. I'm just gonna put some glue on the back of it. We're gonna pop that on to our little tag, like so. And then I have these little punches. They're paper punches. I have a snowman. I have a little bell, Pad Forever, and a little star. And these, you just simply punch out the shapes. You put just like a hole punch, you stick the paper in there and press it, it pops the shape. They have that, I got these years ago at Hobby Lobby, but you don't need to have this either. You can certainly just draw a star on your paper, or a bell, or a snowman, whatever you fancy, and add that to your little design. But we are going to, I might need a little extra glue. Get under there. This glue is going to dry clear, so it's okay if you go over a little bit. And I'm going to take my little star, I'm going to put a little dab of glue at the top of my tree and glue that down. And then I am simply going to take a Sharpie. You can use a black pen, whatever you have on hand. And I'm going to make sure I don't have glue. For the little trunk of our tree, we're going to write the word Mary. And I'm going to take a handy dandy piece of twine. You can use ribbon, you can use like baker's twine that comes in multicolors. You can use, again, you can use white string, whatever you have on hand. You just have to, you don't always have to run out and buy something. Of course you could, but everybody's got some scrap paper, right? This would be really cute with the funny papers to make the Christmas trees out of the funny papers. Does anybody still take the funny paper or take the paper? It'd be cute with magazines. And there you go. There is a cute, I don't know if you could see it because of the light. Let me try to get close. There you go. Cute little Christmas tag. It's got the word Mary for this trunk. Isn't that cute? Simple as can be. You still have plenty of space on the back to write the name or whatever Merry Christmas wish. Now we're going to do a square one, and I'm going to do this one. I'm going to use this paper because I like it. And this one's a little bit bigger, so I could probably get away with. Actually, I might do 2 trees on this one. I'm going to go crazy. I'm going to do 2 trees. I know, right? It's getting wild up in here. Whoops. Do that. I love polka dots, and I love black and white, so we're going to do that. And this paper is double-sided, so we're going to come on the back side. The back side has like a newspaper print, which is cool. All right, let me erase these pencil marks. And again, that one, the first tag we did, the tag was cut out using my Cricut. But again, you don't have to have that. This right here that I'm doing, I just cut out a basic rectangle. And, well, you gotta hold on to your glue. That's key. All right. Alrighty, we're gonna glue this one up a little bit. Then we're gonna take this second little tree and flip it over and do the reverse. I made the second tree just a little bit smaller than my first one, and we're gonna kind of group them together. And then we're gonna take, I think we're gonna glue a snowman somewhere in here. I'm gonna glue him on the side over here. And you could even decorate the little snowman. I just did like silhouettes, and I did him white. I'm not worrying about his button nose or anything like that. I'm just gonna kind of stick him over here on the side. Close my glue. And for this one, for the little trunk of the tree, I'm just gonna draw a squiggly line. Doesn't have to be. And we'll put our twine on there. You never know, even if you have all your Christmas shopping done, inevitably there's a last minute gift. There's a last minute Christmas gathering, last minute dirty Santa game, somebody you forgot about. All right, this one's, isn't this cute? Let me see if I can get it in the right light. Sorry about my light. Let me see if I can put a dark color behind it, maybe. There you go. There it is. Cute little, just basic triangles. And two different color, well, it's the same paper, it was double-sided. I put little squigglies for the trunk, and I punched out a little snowman. You could even just cut circles out of white cardstock for your snowman. Super cute to dress up your gift wrap. So anyway, I hope you get all your Christmas shopping done. I hope you are able to use these cute Christmas tags in your wrapping, or I hope it inspires you to make your own. If you do make your own, come back, leave a picture in the comments, share this video with your friends so maybe it'll inspire them. And I hope you all have a very, very Merry Christmas. You might see me again in the next couple of days with another live craft. I don't know, maybe a science experiment, because little boy is home. You never know what's going to happen. But if I don't see you, have a very Merry Christmas. We love you guys. Thanks for hanging out on our Lunchtime Live. Take care.